installation is real simple. First up, just log in your phone, especially for Samsungs. I'm not sure about the other brand, but for Samsungs, you just go in your gallery, you pick up the lock screen. So this is my lock screen, and then I just put the 3 dots here, set as wallpaper, and then I select lock screen, apply. So first step is my lock screen is now this demi, so this is good. Now you again go back in, but now you need an app for the main menu. So I downloaded this one, Video Wallpaper. I'm not sure which company. There's a whole bunch of app that does this thing, but I use this one. The logo is sort of a small house on the prairie, I don't know. So I just opened this up, and then I select here, and then select where you've put your video. I'm gonna choose, you got a choice for 1 or 2 that I made, so I'm gonna choose this one, and then you can see a preview. Tap the icon on top right here, set as wallpaper, and then you choose just home screen. So there you go, get my home screen of Demi. And yeah, it's a subtle animation. I don't like too distracting image animated stuff on my screen, so I love this one. So yeah, that's pretty much it.